Our everyday carry changes frequently nowadays, but here is my current EDC setup for 2021. I'm going to show you the bare necessities first, the things that I absolutely have to carry with me every single day, and then I'll show you the things that I carry depending on the day or where I'm going. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has been really good to me. It's on the larger and heavier side of the phone universe, so it took a bit of time to get used to, even though I've been using large phones for years now. The iOS experience as a whole is just what I needed. I've carried both iPhone and Android simultaneously for a few years beforehand, but I naturally gravitated towards using an iPhone exclusively because of the user experience. Sure, the customization isn't as great compared to Android, and I can't play emulators without jailbreaking, but it does the job of being a phone just fine. I really wish I had something like this when just starting out on YouTube. The cameras are one of the best, if not the best on a smartphone these days, and so is the battery life. You know what they say, the best camera is the one that's with you, and it can't get any better than this for something that fits inside of your pocket. There's literally no reason now not to document anything and everything in your life to show your kids or grandchildren, or even to just keep for yourself. I'm very thankful to be living in this age of technology. To accompany my phone, I have the AirPods Pro. I've been using mine for over a year now, and I have not looked back ever since. Yeah, I know mine looks really beat up, but I kind of like the look of it. It looks kinda battle scarred. It's because of the case that I keep them in. It's a great case because of the snap-on latch and keychain attachment, but it does mess up the exterior of your AirPods quite a bit. AirPods were literally a game changer for me when I first used them. Being able to pop these in your ears and having them automatically connect to your phone feels like something from the future. I feel like not many people realize how great of a thing this is, but maybe me mentioning again will remind you a bit. I'm not that old, I promise. These things are a must when listening to music or consuming media, out at work or in the gym, or when you want to be by yourself or when you're taking a phone call. Just bring these everywhere with you. I certainly do, and you'll never know when you need to use them. With that being said, AirPods are by no means perfect. I've replaced the rubber earbud tips twice already because they ripped. The left AirPod is buzzing on certain frequencies, and I do have connection issues once in a while. But I do love these things so much, and I've become pretty dependent on them for daily tasks. Next up are my keys. The lanyard changes from time to time, depending on how I'm feeling or what I'm wearing, but everything else has stayed the same for some time now. The car key fob is the bulkiest thing on there, but there's not much I can do about that. I actually made it even bulkier by adding a rubber cover to protect it from scuffs and drops. Very worth it though. My keys are in a white KeySmart Pro, which has a tile tracker built in. I actually don't use the tile feature that much because I rarely misplace my keys, but I love the built-in flashlight for when I need to get into my house at night. The KeySmart actually makes it really easy to unlock both of my doors with just one hand, and that convenience alone makes it worth it for me. Sure, it is another thing to charge, but at least it doesn't take those coin cell batteries that are quite a pain to change out. The last thing I have on my keys is an Apple AirTag, a tracker that takes coin cell batteries. Kind of ironic. It's the most recent addition to my keys, and so far, it's been pretty uneventful. Like I said previously, I don't really lose my keys, but this is the only Bluetooth tracker that I would personally use. It uses the Find My iPhone app that everyone is used to, and it's so much more accurate and precise than any other Bluetooth tracker that I've used. I'm able to attach the AirTag to my keychain with the Nomad leather loop. It's made out of real leather that will patina over time, and as you can see, it's already pretty scratched and beat up from me carrying it in my pocket and bag over the past couple of weeks. It already looks great now, and I can't wait to see how it'll look in the future. My wallet changes the most frequently out of the bunch, surprisingly, but here are the three that I switch in between right now. This one is the one that I've been using the most, and it's the Akini Xsto wallet. This one is the 4-card variant, but they have other variants that can hold up to 10 cards. I really love the design of this wallet, and I have my brand logo on the front to represent. I currently have 4 cards in the main area, And you can store another card or some business cards in this smaller compartment, hidden by this carbon fiber piece thingy here. It's a simple wallet, but it's built like a tank and will last forever. The next wallet is the Travax Axis in this purple color that they don't sell anymore. It's a really sick looking wallet that holds up to 14 cards and cash. I'm a sucker for purple, and the wallet looks so good, I just have to bring it out ever so often. I've had this wallet for over 3 years now, and the Cerakote coating is super tough. The wallet practically looks brand new, and you would have to look pretty close to notice any scratches. The last wallet is the Ed Charlie Classic, and I use it whenever I primarily want to use cash and coins. It has 3 card slots, a cash slot, and a coin pouch. I absolutely love this design, and I can hold a bunch of cash and coins without the wallet getting too bulky. The cash slot blends in seamlessly, so it's super low profile, and the expanding coin pouch makes that specific coin you need very easy to access. Last but not least on my essential carry list is a mask. These are nothing special. I got them for like 20 bucks for a pack of 10 back in the early pandemic days. They're black, so they match with literally everything, and they're simple. These masks are also very comfortable and they fit my face pretty well. If I'm going out and about and I don't feel like carrying everything in my pockets, or if I'm wearing gym shorts, I'm going to carry around a little bag with me. This is the Modern Dayfarer Active Sling, and it holds everything that I mentioned previously in this video, and quite a bit more. It has a very tear-resistant, waterproof, yet lightweight exterior that's built to last and will survive everything you throw at it, even if you have a very active lifestyle. The strap is really strong and feels like a seatbelt, and it has this Fidlock magnetic buckle that allows you to open and close it very easily, even with one hand. The inside has 2 main compartments for organization, and the other compartment even has 2 mesh pockets for even more organization. I usually keep things like my keys, wallet, hand sanitizer, and whatever else in one compartment, and I like to keep my mask and my eye drops separated from the other items in the other compartment. There's even the secret zippered pouch that you wouldn't really notice at first glance, and not going to lie, I actually forgot about it until I made this video. Pretty cool. Let me know if you want me to make a full review of this bag. Last but not least is my water bottle. This is the Mover from Purist Collective, and it's an 18-ounce water bottle that has a premium price tag. It's $50, and if you want to check out the video I made about this water bottle, you can click the card or the link in the description. I don't usually take a water bottle on very short trips, but if I'm going to be out for a few hours, I will take this bottle with me. If I'm going to be out for the whole day, I will bring my 40-ounce Hydro Flask, but I'm going to focus this portion on the video on the Mover. My favorite feature is the glass interior finish, which leaves no weird aftertaste like some other water bottles out there. It's great, and the water seems to taste a lot cleaner in my experience. I have the Union top on it, which allows me to drink from this water bottle with one hand, and there is this low profile handle that seamlessly blends into the top. Is it worth $50? Probably not, but I really like this water bottle and I'm going to continue to use it. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, you know what to do. If you're interested in anything I mentioned in this video, I'll have links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.